children.
Hello, young explorers. Today I'm taking you on a journey to a place where technology meets imagination, a world of artificial intelligence where creating books takes on a whole new meaning. Have you ever wondered how the stories you love to read are made? Today, we will discover how artificial intelligence helps create books that are both fun and educational. Ready for an adventure? Let us go together. In the Tunnel of Thoughts, I met Robo Squirrel and Hollow Chameleon. I watched as they tried to figure out how artificial intelligence creates books. Robo Squirrel thought that since artificial intelligence knows so many letters, it probably spends all day arranging them into books, just like she arranges acorns in her pantry. Hollow Chameleon suggested that maybe artificial intelligence picks stories at random and then puts them into a machine that turns them into picture books. I explained to them that it does not work like that. Artificial intelligence can analyze lots of texts, learn the structure of stories, and suggest new ideas for tales. On the Bridge of Change, I met Cyber Hedgehog and Drono Parrot. They were telling each other how artificial intelligence helped them create a book about adventures in the world of artificial intelligence. Cyber Hedgehog noticed that artificial intelligence helped organize their ideas and suggested exciting plot twists. Drono Parrot added that thanks to artificial intelligence, they could quickly make illustrations for their story. I explained to them that artificial intelligence can be a great tool for creators, helping organize ideas and create visuals, but their creativity and ideas are the most important part. In the Tower of Inspiration, I met Neuropony and Techno Eagle. I decided to check their knowledge and asked what they knew about making books with artificial intelligence. Neuropony answered that artificial intelligence can analyze data, suggest story structures, and help create content, which makes organizing stories much easier. Techno Eagle added that artificial intelligence can adjust the story to the reader's age and interests, and also create illustrations that match the tale, making books more engaging. I praised them for their good answers. Creating books with artificial intelligence is a mix of technology and human creativity, where artificial intelligence supports people. Today, we have learned how artificial intelligence can help create books by organizing ideas, adjusting stories for readers, and making illustrations. But it is human creativity and feelings that give stories their true meaning. Remember, technology is a tool, and when you use it with your imagination, you can create amazing stories. See you on our next adventure in the world of artificial intelligence.